sure it connects to the right one. Good. Hello? Twitch? Doing okay? There we go. Okay. That took a second. Alrighty. Welcome if you're watching. Today's gonna be a bit of a hopefully easier one. Basically, I just want to get my dialogue system working, which the past few days have been sort of building out a little bit better than the way it was set up. So I can show. Actually, I can just why? Okay, so I can just show the stuff I added, which was basically just a bit of an overall little like system to manage the dialogue. So there's this class that holds it internally. It's basically my response for a global variable, but it's basically this is gonna hold the internal dialogue stuff. These are the public getters, setters, whatever. And then these are the bridge classes right here. These are the ones that are exposed to Unreal itself that are callable via blueprints and all that. So right now, the way it works, assuming everything is still good from yesterday when I was working on this, when I approach this guy, it should be a prompt, yep, to talk. Then I press E, the prompt disappears, and the text appears. And that's where I'm at right now. So today's goal is going to be to, one, advance the text, or implement the system that allows the text to advance. So I guess you'd be able to step back and forth as long as you're in the same scene. And then do a little bit of troubleshooting with the edge cases. So for example, I think, yeah, if I leave, the prompt disappears properly, but I think, yeah, right now, once you trigger it, it doesn't disappear. So stuff like that I need to iron out. So that's the plan for today. And hopefully it won't be too bad, but I guess I'll see as I go. Okay. So first, let me find the blueprints that I had open. So, right. Right, so this just loads the dialogue, but the actual stuff is held, I want to say, here, here, and here. Yeah. Okay, so, right, this was, I needed that to enable input for the press E. Hey, welcome back. No. But also, hey, I checked, check this out. I fixed the thing, so, there you go. Maybe someday. If you're lucky, I'll be zoning out because I'm listening to music as well. If you're lucky, I'll be like too focused on what I'm doing, and I might like hum along to some of the songs or something. So you never know, you might get lucky this time. But yeah, it's hard to do with no warm up. You gotta remember, it's not even noon for me. Also, I'm pretty thirsty. I haven't had enough water this morning. I don't know if you can tell. I mean, I wouldn't... It's not like I go around just belting around songs even when I'm not streaming. Most of the time I sing when I'm like cooking or doing something else where I can sort of like autopilot on it. And this is most definitely not something I can autopilot. But actually, you know what? I'll set up a camera and record myself singing some stuff while I'm cooking. How about that? And then I'll play you those. But for now, I just need to remember what I was doing yesterday because I forget. Yeah, I'm not against it. I just am not warmed up and also don't want to. I'm scared of copyright stuff, which I guess doesn't go away for recorded stuff. But I guess for tiny snippet, it shouldn't be that big a deal. Yeah, I'm really just not warmed up, and also I'm sitting in a desk. Oh, oh yeah, I should mention that heat wave finally made it to me. It's finally it's finally a good 34°C out today. So yeah, I feel you now. I mean, not as bad because I still have air conditioning, so I really have nothing to complain about. But yeah, no, it's hot here now too. All right. Oh, I just realized. Wait a second. Can you send some more chats just for a second? I just realized I haven't been paying attention. I just wanted to make sure the chat box is still working. Ah, tease. Perfect. All right, thank you. That's I mean, that's about as best you can do. I still cannot believe your mouse pad melted. That is wild. I better hope nothing like that happens to me because I have a full desk pad, not just a mouse pad. So my keyboard, mouse, all the random stuff on my desk is on it. So if mine melts, that's bad. Still didn't clean it. It's fine. I really am not someone to criticize other people's cleaning habits. So fine by me. It's not cleared yet. Okay. All right, focus. Part of my problem, I think, is I need to turn my music down as I'm I'm distracting myself with this blasting in my ear. Okay. Right. I need a way to advance text, but for that I need to find where I'm even getting the lines. So I know there's a I think it's right here. Okay. So this needs a way to I feel that so hard. I want to do this, but doing that takes 10 other things that I don't want to do also. Yeah, no, I feel that. Okay. So I need a way to basically enter dialogue mode. Which will then sort of... Oh, you know what? Okay, so then that's not just that. Started learning Lua. Unless, is Luau something different? Because Lua, I know. The language is very cool. But I don't know. Oh, okay. That's neat. Nothing. Hold on. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Lua's a cool language. So, I mean, stuff based on it is also going to be pretty nifty. Yeah, Lua's cool. It's I think its design is really neat. It was actually one of the inspirations for when I was working on language stuff a while back. But did what I was trying to do much better than I ever could. So, it's very cool. So, that's awesome that you're learning it. Nice. I actually had a build system that was based on Lua that I was frustrated with things like CMake because, oh god, CMake. I don't know if you've ever seen the syntax for it, but I don't even know. Come on. Okay, well, I'm not gonna find. Well, yeah, because everything's local. Python does a lot of heavy lifting under the hood for you. So if local bugs you, never, ever, ever pick up Java. Holy. Because check this out. Hey. Why? You're supposed to be... Anyway. Right, Java. Yeah, never, ever, ever pick up Java because look at this nonsense. Actor model. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, so basically... Oh, so then you know the pain of Java. Everything has to be its own, like, file. Every file needs its own class. Every class has to have, like, its own stuff. That's the one reason I'm like, me coming from a later perspective into Minecraft and also not, like, really playing it that much, and also being a programmer, I look at the Microsoft version like, well, what's wrong with that? C# is a way better language. Well, you think that until you realize why it's like that. Because Java came, I think, before Python. I'm pretty sure by a pretty good margin. And then, yeah, I'm pretty sure... Oh, actually... Oh, I stand corrected. I stand corrected. Python came first. But my point stands there. The Python you know today is very much so not the same as Python 1. Yeah, 2008. Let me just see if I can find... Actually, you know what? This is the perfect case for... Oh, come on now. Variables in Python are literally step one. It's... Here's the thing. It exists. Really? Wait. Python 2 looks more different than that, though. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Oh, okay. Hey, that's fine. If you notice what I'm doing, it's programming with AI help. So, I mean, you're not doing anything different from me. Also, thanks for reminding me. I went and made a Discord. So, you can get the invite link right here. So, there you go. Hey, there you go. That's progress. Baby steps. Interesting. Am I thinking of I might be thinking of something different. Yeah, but like I said, you'll have to bear with me because, like I said, I'm a Discord noob, so I might not be set up right. Hey, nice. You try and flame? It's super cool. I actually oh, is it still installed? Oh god, my monitor. God, I gotta fix these earbuds. Um, but I actually have, I think, an old prototype of a mobile app I was building. That's a bunch of offline games, stuff like you know, mini golf, where you can. Oh boy, this is gonna be hard to do. I'm sorry, what? That was weird. So anyway, you can drag. Oh god, drag, shoot the ball. I missed. And then you make it level completed, all that stuff. So Flame is super cool. It's actually really nice. So all the best of luck to you there. It's very fun. It was during actually. I was learning it during the onslaught of AI tools, and I mean I'm a self-taught programmer, so like, I gotta stop listening to music. I can't talk at the same time. So I'm a self-taught programmer, but I'm mostly like into system stuff. So like C, C++, Zig, Rust, etc. Um, Pivoting to Dart and Flutter was an attempt at becoming more marketable as a software freelancer. But that was like I was doing that pivot right as like Claude Code was getting good and like all the other, I mean, chatbot. You can see I have one of Claude, one of Gemini right here, but I basically just ask them for advice more so than letting them do the coding themselves. Although I will admit the game I just showed you, a good bit of that was written by Claude Code, just because I at the time didn't know Dart syntax well enough. Um, but I mean, it was mostly fine. It was I picked it up relatively quick anyway. Nerd plus plus, yeah, basically. I mean, have you read my channel bio? It's like a mix of Michael Reeves, Toby Fox, and Bo Burnham, but if they were all half as talented, but also all the same person. I like, yeah, it made me really happy to see things or see bigger companies embrace Flutter. That was very exciting for me as I was getting a little nervous for my job prospects. But well, I'd challenge that because I have some pretty complicated system stuff too. So I would challenge the statement of master of none. Oh, whoops. How did I even do that? So like, do I have zclip? Yeah, I do. So like, this is probably my most complex project, which is a clipboard daemon written in Zig that calls to C to dynamically load the X11 libraries that I need to handle the clipboard passing on Linux, because clipboard handling is ridiculous on Linux. It does not work how you think it does. So like that's a serious project. Like that's that's not a small thing. So hey, you got to start somewhere. If I showed me if I me showed myself this stuff when I was starting learning to code like 4 years ago, I guess closer to 3 years ago, but like if I showed myself this stuff back then, I would have been like, you're out of your mind if you think I'm going to ever be able to read that. Why does this keep happening? Do you just out of curiosity, does my screen keep going dark for you? Or is that just on my side? Because that's fascinating to see while it's streaming, and I'm just really curious to see or to know what you see. No. Interesting. I guess because I'm waking it right away. My screen keeps falling asleep on its own. So I guess that's good incentive to keep myself focused today. Because apparently I can't look away from the monitor for too long, or stop doing inputs for too long. Otherwise, it'll just turn off on me. What the hell? What the fuck? Hold on. Actually, you know what? Let me fix that first, because that's a big problem. Oh, no. Like, I mean off. When I say dark, I mean off. Like, does the screen turn off? Because like for me, the computer falls asleep. Like, you know what I mean by that, right? Like when you take a laptop and close it, that's falling asleep. So like that's what the computer's doing for me. So I gotta figure out why it's doing that. Also, it's getting too hot with this thing on. Oh no, it's definitely not OBS, because my entire screen is turning off on both monitors. So it's this has happened before, not while streaming though. So this is going to be a fun one. You get to watch my systems work. No, it's not an HDMI issue. It uses DisplayPort. Something has happened. So what it was last time, I'm just going to keep doing this so it doesn't happen while I talk. What it actually was last time was a Linux power state issue. So what it was is the kernel was too aggressively alrighty, we'll be here. The kernel was too aggressively suspending things for power saving. And so it literally was just turning off the computer after, like, well, not turning off, but like, suspending the computer, like literally doing this one right here, suspend, more or less, just automatically every like 30 seconds, like on idle after like 30 seconds. So I need to figure out why it keeps doing that. So my computer I am? Oh. That's an interesting point. Interesting. Okay. OBS seems okay. Okay. God, why? Oh, because it shifts focus. I see why. Okay. Don't mind me, I'm just a stupid face. Okay, that, and then those. Okay, well, cool. Oh, sick. Well, okay, that explains why it's happening. Is that what you meant by HDMI issue? Because if so, that was a crazy deep thought. And if not, just nod and say yes, because that's a cool thing to take credit for. Okay. Yeah, I got that. Let me out. Nope. Here, let me I guess I'll just put it down here for now. And what am I looking for? Nope. What the fuck? Oh. That doesn't need to be in. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, still? It's still. Oh, God. Okay, this is a more annoying problem than I thought it was. What? Ah, thank you. Very much appreciated. I'm sorry you have to see me in such an annoyed state. Although this really isn't that bad. You want to see me annoyed, go to the YouTube channel, check out day 4. Whoa. Sure. If you want to show it off, be my guest. Well, no. Well, God. Oh, it's a. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Could not what? What? It couldn't what? Could not be found. Okay. Why didn't it show? Oh. Oh. Interesting. Okay, so... Okay. Oh, there's no line numbers, really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. You say so. All right. Okay. Now. Okay. Welcome back. Nice. Okay. Okay. So I guess the only other thing now is I guess to test it. So I guess I'll look away and not touch anything for more than 30 seconds. And then if it stays on, I can get on with my day. And if it doesn't, I can keep working on this nonsense. God damn it. Nope. Still turns off. Do what you did before it started, but in reverse. It didn't. It didn't. I didn't do anything. That's the thing. Like I literally I turned on the computer today and it started doing this. I So undoing it would be turning it off. I guess. Oh, wait. Wait. God damn it. That's it. That's it. Right, because that's the other time it happened when I Okay. Now I know what causes it. That doesn't mean it's fixed. So how do I check that? Well, okay. Oh, okay. That's pretty neat. I I don't think it is. Can I? God fucking. Okay. Oh, duh. Um. Yeah, I did. Oh, well, that'll do it. Okay, well, I guess if the mask command is supposed to fix it now, I can just test it again. So I'm gonna let it go. And I guess if it happens again, I mean, I guess I'm just gonna have to deal with it and power through for now. That's fine. Yeah. It's fine. I mean, if I'm doing if I'm working, oh. If I'm working how I'm supposed to, then it should be fine. As long as I just remember to keep my hand on the thing on the mouse, because there's a chance just a clean reboot won't solve it. Because the clean reboot is only the thing that allows me to solve it, because it'll clear out the old corrupted stuff. So that's it's only step one is the reboot. So I'll just deal with it for today. It's fine. It's fine. I only have 4 hours and 20 minutes left. Hey. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It'll be fine. Me getting caught on my mic, however, is a little less fine. There we go. Okay, you know what? Let's just get back to the game. If it becomes an issue, then I might consider it, but for now, streaming. Oh, right. So it's not up on Twitch, but I do actually have a schedule. Oh, this is not the right. There we go. I do actually have a stream schedule. Even though it's not up on Twitch. The reason it's not up on Twitch is because they don't let you do non-recurring schedules unless you're an affiliate, which I'm obviously not. So you can see it rotates. So like my day off is not the same every week. And the schedule is changing slightly, but like you can see each slot moves diagonally. This one's different because that's where the change happens, right here actually. But it's supposed to be even diagonally like that. But you can't do that on Twitch unless you're an affiliate. So I just can't have a schedule up. It is what it is. All right. Let me do this dialogue thing. Let me think. Actually, let me This is already a bit more talking than I've done the past couple streams, so don't want to wear my voice out. Yeah, it is what it is. All right. Okay. Right. I need... Don't need that. Don't need this. I might need this. Okay. So I need basically some way to track the index here for which line is being displayed. It's all right. Stay as long as you can. No pressure to stay. Hang around if you like. Don't. Up to you. Okay, so I need an integer, but I need some kind of state tracking in general. Like, obviously I need just like a variable for it. So. Oh, I mean, that works too. That could certainly work. Okay. So I have current line. I need a way. Oh, you know what? I think I might have actually needed this one. Not this one, the other one. Yeah. Okay, so this is going to be slightly more involved than I thought it was. Because I'm going to need to enter a sort of mode. And I don't quite know how to do that yet. So, I'm going to take advantage of Fable before my plan ends. I'm building a dialogue. Just because my plan ends tomorrow. I'm gonna make the most of it. I actually, I used to use Glot a bit more, but it started giving me answers that I, frankly, irritated me more. But, so I canceled my plan after threatening it. So now I'm just making the most of it. God damn, that's a lot. I didn't read your last one. What was that? Oh, I mean, that's pretty fun. That's basically what I did in Minecraft. Just mess around with stuff. But yeah, I that's fair. I don't use the image generation for anything aside from this logo right here that I use. This is the only image that I've really generated. I'm just not really. I don't use it for like assets because like that's obviously a problem in game development right now. So I just build the assets myself and ask it for help. Gemini, the only reason I have a Pro Gemini plan is because I paid for oh, thank you. I very appreciate that. The only reason I have a thing for Gemini, a Pro plan for Gemini, is because I have storage in Google Drive that I've had for years and years and years, and they bolted it right onto the side. I had at first, so actually, might as well just go through it. Here, make sure I'm moving my mouse. Well, that's not quite how it works, but basically, my progression in AI use has been started with ChatGPT, the free one, bumped up to the paid one when it became like more of a thing, I guess. And then I stayed on that for actually a really long time and resisted moving to Gemini because I actually really don't like Google as a company. I actually really do not like Google a lot. So the fact that I use Gemini is more like like a fine, I'll use it because I might as well. I'm already giving you all this money for server space. Well, the tiers don't impact what it can and can't write about. It just impacts how good it does. Like how accurate it gets, I suppose. Like the algorithms it uses. That's the only difference. What's my Firebase solution? I don't use Firebase for anything. What do you mean? You mean for the website? That's pork bun. Backed? Oh. Automatic flights. Oh, don't even. There's been a fly around my room for the past like 3 days, and I swear to God, I even have my electric thing right here because, like, oh my God. Backend database. I just do it myself manually. I mean, I can show. Let me. Hang on. Let me really quick. I'm gonna hide my screen because I think I can show the code for my website and stuff. But I just want to double check. DigitalOcean. No, it's so the domain I set up in pork bun, and then I just literally. Oh, that's not right. Hold on. There we go. Sorry. Then it's literally just I wrote the back end and push it up to pork bun, and it handles it. It's just I don't use a service. But let me just search really quick for my like name or any personal details, and then if I don't find anything here, I can just show you what I do. Let me think. No, so pork bun. I'm guessing you don't know what pork bun is. It's a hosting service. So it might be the same as Firebase, but like this handles the backend stuff. This is the DNS stuff. This handles everything there. So this would be the answer to your question, I think. I don't use Firebase, but if that's what Firebase does, or DigitalOcean, if that's what that does, then this is my answer to that question. Oh, you can't see my screen. I just realized. This is the answer to your question. So, no, I don't run a home server, but, like, they literally, hold on. I didn't find anything personal here, but let me just get it off my screen. Okay, there. Yeah, no, I literally, in my public folder I might as well just close Unreal at this point. But I literally have, actually, I think it's a JSON. I literally just have my schedule. Alrighty, enjoy. Have fun. All right, I'll do my best to record something for you. But yeah, so this is basically what the website reads. There's a simple app.js that handles the stuff. Handles all the, like, you know, dynamic movement, the sidebar if you're on mobile, stuff like that. Oops. And then, I mean, The index might have some stuff. And then it's just a style. Sure, yeah. I mean, go ahead and share it. I don't know how you might want to share it. Maybe through Discord, actually. I might have to... I'm very new to Discord, so you'll have to bear with me if you want to get in there. But there is an invite thing on my website. If you just go to here, contact. The website is just the stream thing. Yeah, it's so nice. It's so nice. So, yeah, if you want to, I don't know how you would share it. I guess you could email it to me if you really want, but Discord or, you know, GitHub if you really want, I guess. Yeah, go for it. I'd love to take a look. I just, you know, new to the streaming thing, so I don't know how. Oh, right, I can't not do this. The one annoying thing I will say about Flutter is the fact that you can't test for, and it's not Flutter's fault. It's Apple's fault, but it's that you can't test the Mac or iOS side without like Mac hardware. That's kind of annoying, but that's not their fault. Like they literally, there's just nothing they can do about that. Yeah, I have my old Android that I use for testing. And then if I ever get around to actually releasing anything, I have a Mac Mini in the other room and my iPhone to just test on. Web for testing for me doesn't really work because I was doing a game, like a games app, and the frame rate just totally tanked in the browser. So I found for web stuff, Flutter isn't that great, but for native stuff, it's beautiful. Well, within reason. If you're doing something like super heavy native on desktop, then I might use something like Qt. But yep. Okay, so I figured. Let me see how I handle that. How do I handle that? I feel like there should be a button, no? I feel like there should be a button that says allow. Why is there not a button? Oh, I think I'm in the wrong... God damn it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Come on. Yes, I'm human. Oh my god. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my god. Okay. I'll do it on web. Hold on. Give me a second. Oh my god. There. Why did it work there? How do... There's... Where's the button that says approve? Am I losing my mind? There's a thing that says pending. It says pending. You right. How do you accept? Okay, I'm not using Fable for that. How do you accept? Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. There's... Oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. Ah, yes. Thank you. Happy 250th. That'd be cool. I swear, there are people... All right, that should be good to go, by the way. And if not, let me know. But I swear, there are people that will, like, I swear they set off fireworks for literally anything. And it's not that far from me. It's like maybe a couple miles away. Like 4 kilometers, I think, if that's your thing. But like I swear they just do it on like random Tuesdays and stuff. So yeah, I'm sure they're gonna get crazy tonight. I just realized I'm still logged out on my phone. Yes, I'm human. New login location detected. Please check your email. God. Yeah, there's not a whole lot set up yet. I just generally don't use Discord really for like other places. So I don't really know how to use it all that well. So if you got any suggestions for how it should be structured or other channels to make, God, be my guest. Okay, am I? Okay, there we go. Fucking finally. Yes. What do you mean password doesn't match? What do you mean? Yes. Oh my god. It's... Oh my god. I swear I've done this before. Okay, Jesus Christ. There we go. I see ya. Oh. Hi. Before it turns off again. God, this has been one of the more chaotic starts to a stream I've had, I gotta be honest. Oh, I guess I could just... No, not that one. This one. Okay. Yes. Yes, it's my server. Oh my god. Anyway, I'll keep that up. Jesus Christ. Oh, okay. Hang on.
Hey Ben, can you hear me?
I can. I can. Can
Hey
you hear
Ben.
me?
Hey, what's up, man?
Not much. How are you?
So much better than typing. Good grief.
Yeah, feel that.
Yeah, you're a little bit delayed.
Oh, am I? Sorry. That's it. Might do that.
That's Twitch. Yeah, that's cool. All right. I'm gonna send you this crazy link.
Alrighty, cool. Alrighty. Do you mind if I open it like this? Anything you want to hide or
Yeah.
anything? Okay, cool.
There's nothing I want to hide. No, you're good.
All right, cool.
Thanks for asking.
No problem. I know because I've flashed plenty of my own name plenty of times, and I then had to go out and edit.
Been there, done that. Fortunately, with 0 subscribers, there's like
Yeah, no, that's for real. That's but
saving
oh,
grace.
I'll bet the VOD's expired by now, but for the first like week you would see on my Twitch there was day 1 day 1 was never posted. I think it started at like day 5 and then went to like day 7 maybe. And then like that's it cuz everything else was I flashed something and you can't edit on Twitch, so
Right.
all right.
Yeah. So I built this thing in Flutter. I've been doing this for like a month and a half now, and I've never made a game in my life. So I already created an account for you. So just click sign into an existing account. So we can
Okay,
go through that
cool.
process. Click on that,
And then what did you say?
and then the email is like test@test.test. And the password is password.
Any caps?
No, Firebase doesn't care. See, that's what I was asking. Like, I host all the backend stuff. Like, this is connected to a backend.
Oh,
All this stuff is
okay,
pulling through the
interesting.
Amazon service. Yeah, it's
Gotcha.
all Firebase. So it signs in, takes care of the authorization, authentication, all that kind of fun stuff, right? And I already created an account for you, so you don't have to go through all that. So just put
Gotcha.
test, create a character guy.
Oh, this is cool. This is already way more in depth than mine.
But check it out. So you see all these image assets?
Yeah.
It's like it's all in the sprite sheets, 1,000% Nano Banana. That's where I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna pay the
Oh, that's true.
29
That's
bucks,
fair.
right?
That's
Like you're
fair.
gonna see, yeah. But my daughter, she's like, I'm 56. I have a daughter. She's like 30. She's like, oh, I'm not playing that game. Everything's AI generated. Doesn't support artists. I'm like,
Yeah, that's the tough part. That's why I try to draw that line myself because like people one, if you publish a game, there's most of the time you have to include like whether they're AI generated assets.
Right.
But also like I don't know. It feels bad because I know some well, I guess they're more like graphic
But don't you
designers
think
than
it's a good
anything.
argument to say like you're just trying to get the game built? You're just going to use AI generated assets, and when you have the time and the money, you come back and replace it with real art.
Yeah. Yeah, no. That's the goal, right? But like the problem with it is people will say that and then not actually do it. They'll just leave it there. And then, you're left in this state of, well, you said you would go back and replace these things, but you never did.
Yeah. But
So
check it out.
I get
It's
it
a
for like
Kristen.
indie devs, for like,
Yeah.
us basically. But like the like large studio, it's really like the large studios doing it that rub people the wrong way most of the time,
Yeah.
I think, because
Yeah.
like places like I don't know, Blizzard or Epic or whatever, they have the money to pay artists. So like they really should not be doing stuff like that. But like
Click on
at
the email part. Click on
at
the email part. Test at test, not the picture, because I think that changes. I gotta fix that.
oh, you mean like the literal?
There you go.
Okay, I see.
There you go. So basically, the idea of this game, I've got a 30-year-old son. He likes to play these idle games,
Mm-hmm.
and so this is an idle game.
Oh, okay.
But then I have a 14-year-old because I had my own grandbaby because my children don't know how to make babies.
Okay, fair enough.
So I got a 34-year-old and a 14-year-old. The 14-year-old, he doesn't like the idle games. He wants to play like, you know, regular games. So
Right.
this is a blend of both. So you do resource gathering either the idle way or the interactive way. So it's like I'm trying to do two things at the same time.
Gotcha.
I'm also doing. So then I'm also doing like something we can sit around like the dinner table and
Yeah.
play a game. Yeah, so we do that too. So go ahead and hit claim and continue.
Okay. Oh, sick. This this reminds me so much of a D&D session I was in. Like, oh my god.
Yeah. So I've never made a game in my life. I'm a developer, right? So, but I've been moving money around because of my job, my whole life. Text and money. I never do anything like this.
Right, yeah.
So, and then we switched all to Flutter. And then I was like, Flame looks interesting. So I was really shocked to see Flame. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, I mean it's super cool. I mean, I wouldn't call myself the most experienced in Flutter or Flame.
You don't need to be anymore.
Yeah, well, fair enough. That's true.
Gemini is so good at Dart. It's amazing.
That is fair.
Yeah.
I was honestly pretty pleasantly surprised by how well supported Dart and Flutter are in AI coding, but it makes sense if you look like just at its adoption. I mean,
right. If you compare Flutter versus React Native.
Well, okay, if you make that comparison, that's that's not even close.
Still way down, right?
Yeah, but like, look at this. Even just code 29.6 million, 2 million repos. That's a lot for a language. Like, even just look at F#, which is C# functional cousin. Way less than that, right? And that's fully supported by Microsoft and .NET. So like, it's surprisingly, well, I guess not surprisingly because it's adopted by Google, but it's pretty widely used. Like I was personally surprised to see that.
Flutter's about to come out, so it's getting even bigger.
What's about to come out? Say again.
Flutter 4.
Oh, it is. Here, I should.
Yeah.
I turned off the music, but I should.
You know the big paradigm shift, right?
Oh, is there?
The big paradigm shift from like Flutter to everything else. Flutter paints a canvas. It doesn't use native widgets, right? It paints all the widgets.
Right.
So if you make a mobile app, you're not using the native like drop down. It literally painted a drop down. That's how it gets parity across all these platforms.
Yeah.
It's just a canvas everywhere. So it really sucks for like making websites.
Yeah.
Because
it's really bad.
So you're not going to get any SEO out of it because there's nothing to scrape. There's no HTML,
Oh, that and
it's like a website and a game engine.
Well, yeah, that and it performs really poorly on web. I don't know if you've ever tried it. It doesn't perform all that well in a browser. It performs much better as native.
The secret there, so me putting it on this itch.io website thing, I had a lot of lessons learned. The very first one was how to make this thing more performant. Throwing the DAS WASM attributes on there and making it do that just sped the whole thing up. Like all those things went away.
Yeah, if WASM's cool. I wish it was in a better state and more usable for more things because it's really cool.
Okay, so click on the Ravenhold. So those are all this is all data-driven stuff. Like
okay,
the big bird in the middle.
Oh, okay, I gotcha. And then, so you got sounds and I'm a much slower and less deliberate worker on things. I tried the game thing in Flutter with Flame. It took such a long time to get started, like multiple months, and I don't have a single sound in there. So
click on that town tavern.
On the tavern. Sorry, you're getting a little quiet with everything playing.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, town tavern. You can hit the little music button up there. It'll turn it off.
You're right.
in
How do I go back? Is there oh, okay. Ah, there we go.
I hit the start button,
Start.
and now back to the tavern. Now we're gonna play this game. So you hit the town tavern. We're gonna play a round of liar's dice. Hit start.
Oh, okay. Let's see. 5 dice, ones are wild. Okay.
You trying to win?
Each bid must be higher than the last. Well, I want to know the rules.
You ever watch Pirates of the Caribbean?
Oh, it's been a long time.
Oh, it's been a while. It's the game they play. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll give it a go.
Pretty-
Oh, wait, I did that wrong. Hold on.
It's one of those popular games you don't have to pay any IP on, right?
Right, gotcha. Yeah, that's literally, if I were to go through my list, it's literally tic-tac-toe, like Connect 4, but not called Connect 4, like stuff like that. Okay, how do you start?
So hit X and go back to, so the first option was upper right.
Oh,
Okay, so
oh, I see.
So it's
So-
the first one. That one's the rules, and then if you go to the one with the bucket of dice, that's
Gotcha.
start the game.
I don't know if you're open to any feedback.
1000%.
I might change
What?
these to say something other than start, because I thought this
Okay.
was the game that I was entering.
Okay.
Because these look like 3 separate games. It looks like this is a game, this is a game, this is a game, and I was selecting this one.
Okay.
So start here, maybe like read here and like view or
Yeah.
something, or even just read,
Gotcha.
something like that.
Gotcha.
But okay, I see it now. And then just
So
host.
You want the first one? Yeah. Yep. Just host, and then hit add friend, and I think we're already friend up.
Okay, invite.
Yep.
Okay. Ah, yep. Love it. Did that go through?
Did.
Yes. Okay.
So that's why we needed Firebase in the back,
Right.
right?
Yeah, that
That's
makes
the man
sense.
in the middle.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so I just haven't done any like back end stuff yet. So I guess that makes
Okay,
sense. So just start.
Yeah, just hit start. Let's play a game.
All right. I feel like this is cheating.
I'm totally cheating because I can see both screens, right? So I'm not gonna look at your screen.
Well, you can
what
look now.
do- Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so this is the game where the number always has to go up, right? So you have to say I have like 3 5s or 2 5s or 2 2s. You have to say
Okay.
some number, and then I either accept it or call you a liar.
And what is the end goal? What am I trying to convince you of?
Here, you'll see. Just play around. You're trying to convince me that. Say you have 3 5s. That means you have 2 5s and I have 1 5, right? You say there's at least 5 5s that are been rolled.
Oh. Okay, I
And
see.
then-
I see.
And then the reveal is like in a real game, like you shake the bucket and then you put it on the table, and then we both like bet on how many 5s are in there, and then we can just like reveal and then we count them,
Gotcha.
right?
Okay.
And then if yeah.
Okay, so how does the UI for that work? What does the raise bid button actually do here?
So if you said like there's 1 1, that means raise bid says, oh, I want to change it to like 2 1s. Now the total of that is 2.
Okay.
Or if you say 3 1s, the total of that is 3. You have to always go up.
Okay. What if I want to do a
Five.
number that's not 1?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, any number you want. But 1s are wild, so they can be anything. So if you had like 2 2s.
Well,
or
right.
4
But what I
2s,
mean is there's only the one button. So how do I click it first and then it pops up with the UI?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, there we go. I see. Okay. And okay. So I'm okay. I see. I think.
Yeah. Okay. So that's my turn. So you said there's 2 3s. Now I'm gonna raise the bid and say, you know what I mean. So the total is 6. 2 3s is 6.
Okay.
So I can. The total has to go up, or I could just call you a liar and this round is over.
Okay.
There is either 2 3s or there's not 2 3s. If 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 I call you a liar and you lied, then I win that round,
Okay.
and we play 5 rounds. So I'm gonna
Okay.
raise the bid. I'm gonna say there's 3 5s,
Ooh,
and you can be like, "Is there 3 5s?"
I see. So which number has to go up? Both? Or
The
or
total, the 3 times 5 is 15.
oh, the total has to go up. My screen turned off again just then, which is why I made that face.
No.
I this is crazy. I have no idea why that's happening. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay. I see now. I say
And you can do this with like 6 people. We've done it at the dinner table. We all had a blast.
alrighty then. So there you go. You got your proof of concept. I think
You take this way too serious. I can see your face.
I'm very competitive.
I can see. What's the maximum number of viewers you've ever had?
Concurrent? Like
Yeah.
4, I think.
Oh, okay. It's tough, right?
Yeah.
It's tough.
Well, I mean, I also just started like a couple weeks ago, so that helps. But I just try and, I'm basically not really trying to become a streamer. I am more so streaming my workday, more or less.
Right.
So that's basically it. Okay, I'm just gonna do that.
Your mic game is insane, man. Look at that thing.
Is it?
Drop some coin. It looks like, yeah. Okay, so you think there's 3 6s. I'm going to raise that. Do I lie or do you raise?
4 6s.
Yeah.
I don't know about
So-
that one
so-
there.
Liar caught.
Chief.
So that's right. I mean,
Okay, so
so you won that
oh,
round.
that's right. I totally blanked that ones are wild. Okay, so explain one thing for me.
Okay.
Let me think.
The
How do I
betting
word
part's
this?
missing, just so you know.
Huh?
You literally won nothing.
Well,
I
okay,
gotta
fair
fix
enough.
that.
But I'm trying to think what I'm asking or what I'm trying to ask. So what So let's say you bid on the very first round 1 6. So the total is
Okay.
6, right?
Okay, yeah.
On the next round, or I guess on the next like guess, you know what I mean? Not the
Turn,
full next
yep.
round. Yeah, the next turn. There you go. On the next turn, the other person could then guess like
2 5s.
or they could
Yeah,
do
anything that makes the total go up is valid.
right. But I'm just trying to think of how that actually works in terms of what you're looking at. Because like
Oh.
you don't there's a set number of dice, right? So like
Yeah.
they don't tell you anything beyond the first round or the first turn, I mean, because like once you've made that first guess, you kind of nothing changes. So you're just
Yeah.
forced to make new guesses out of the same
So-
dice but you already know
You're
some
right.
of them might
If
not
you
be
had
true.
a good card counting brain, you would remember the previous and realize what people have.
Oh, so they stay. Oh, okay. Gotcha. I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, yeah, I lost that round. So because I lost that round, I lose one die,
Okay.
and the person to lose all their die loses, right? It,
Right. Okay.
so now there's 9 dice on the board. There's 4 under my cup and 5 under your cup, and we shook it.
Right.
We put it
So
down,
here's the part that I think I was struggling to put into words before.
Okay.
Let's say, so your bid is 1-6, right? So
and the total is 6. Yeah.
so the total is 6. Let's say I call you a liar right now, and I'll just go through both cases, so you don't even need to tell me anything, right, about the
If
state.
there's more
So
sixes,
if
that's fine.
there's, well, actually, all 3 cases, then I should say. If there's fewer 6s, what happens if I call you a
It's
liar?
a lie.
It's a lie. Okay.
If there's fewer 6s, you win. You called me a liar because there's not 1 6 under our cups.
If you have 1-6 and I have 1-6, and I call you a liar.
There's at least 1 6. I win.
See, that part's a little unclear to me.
Okay.
In my eyes,
There's at
you're.
least 1 6. Yeah. There's. At
Oh,
least 1
okay.
6
So you're
under
saying the
our cups.
minimum.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, that makes more sense. So I could say there's that.
Three fives. So you think there's 3 5? There's at least 3 5s. Because you could have a 1 and a 5. You think I have a 5, so there's at least 3 5s. But why would you guess something you wouldn't have? So I'm gonna raise the bid. But see, the total's 18, so I gotta go up from 18. It's a big number, so it might force me to call you a liar. Oh my goodness.
See, that's the trap I was talking about. You can only do so much when the number's that big.
Right. So 4 6s, right? So it's at 24. So you're gonna call me a liar.
Yeah.
Or maybe there are 4 6s.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you go. So I lost another die.
Yeah. So I mean, it kind of just depends on how good your hand is. That's I think the friction I was feeling at first. If you get a really like low hand, like just like 1 2
that.
2 1
Yeah.
3,
Yeah.
you can't do anything. Like you just lose that round. Then there's nothing you can do.
There's nothing you can do. Right. But did you see that was crazy? You had 3
Actually,
5s and
wait.
a 1.
Speak of the devil.
Okay. So it's my turn. So I'm gonna say.
Well, you obviously see what I have, so like, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
like, you get the point, right? So like, I could, in theory, here go, well, let's go all in and say there's, oh man, I wish I can click away. You said 1 2. Okay, so I could go like crazy and say there's, 4 3s. And that would
Right.
be a lie for me. So that's banking on you having a 3. But
Correct.
then here's the thing that I was talking about before. If it advances beyond that round, I'm done.
Yeah.
So like
Submit it.
here,
Submit
well
it.
here.
Submit the bid. So I'm now in that position. Because
I
there
know.
are 4 3s. I have a 3, and you have 3 3s. So there's 4 3s. So I could either raise the bid to different die, as long as the total is over 2,
Mm-hmm.
because I think we exhausted the 3s, right?
Yeah.
So I would have to but 3 2s is not over 9, so I can't say that.
Exactly.
So I'm just screwed, right?
Bingo. Yeah.
So I just have to lie. There's nothing. It forces me to lie.
Yeah. Well, also, if you looked closely, I only bid 3 threes.
Right.
So you could have actually bid 4 threes. That's the other thing, is you got to check
There's
what.
so much more I want to show you. This is just one game.
Oh, this is one game? We could go to a different one.
Yeah.
You want?
Oh yeah. Okay. Hit the little X.
All right.
Or do you want to finish this thing?
Oh, right. We're in the tavern. I forgot.
Yeah, we're in a
forgot.
tavern.
How do you get out of the tavern? Oh, I completely forgot. Right. Oh, that's okay. That's pretty
So-
cool.
Okay. So now, okay. So I think that's the only multiplayer game I have created in this thing.
Okay. I mean, that's
The only
fine.
one.
Tell you what, we can do a single one. Then I'm gonna go back to my game.
Okay. Let me just show you what they are, not actually play them.
Okay. Then
'Cause it's
Point me-
they're almost done. So
point me to the
click
place.
on the black. Click on the bottom left where it takes you out of Ravenhold, takes you back to the region. You should set hit your little down. Yeah, you don't have anything. Wonder why. That's strange.
Yeah. So that's the cropping. You're gonna need to put some
Yeah.
padding in there.
Something's up. Yeah. So it's
Oh.
probably under the hamburger menu. Go to the hamburger menu.
Wait. I wonder if I can. No, it won't let me. Oh well.
Hamburger menu, upper right corner.
I know.
Oh, okay. It's just delayed on my side. Okay,
Oh,
see,
right,
See here it says Corvant Helm at the top. That
Mhm.
takes you out. Takes you back to the region.
Gotcha. Okay. That's a good fallback.
On my screen, that's at the bottom because it's landscape mode seems a little better than portrait.
Interesting.
Okay. Yeah, because you have to be that whole responsive design.
Well, I mean,
scroll over to
this
the
isn't
black
portrait or
view.
landscape. This is a desktop.
It's tablet view. Tablet landscape. Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
bottom left, the Black Town, Black Beak Port.
Ah, I see. This banner is the problem. This banner is too high, I think.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, hit explore on that. Okay, there's 2 mini games in here. We'll start with the ship one. So click the ship on the on the right, bottom right.
Bottom right.
That's the tavern. Or we can do the tavern first. That's
Yeah,
fine.
no, I know. I'm with you. It's just delayed. I'm just clicking around.
Yeah, hit that. Hit explore. Oh, you don't have any gold. Damn it.
Ah, rats.
Can't actually play that one. Actually you can. Okay, hit the X. In the upper right corner. And then hit the hamburger menu. I'm sorry. Go back to the Corvant Health. Get out of the town. Go back to Ravenhold. That's the quickest way to get a piece of gold. Back to Ravenhold. I should add some gold. And hit Start Inspect. Under the Inspect action, just hit Start on that.
Where?
So click on the fountain.
Oh. The wishing well?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, that guy.
Ah.
Hit Explore. Then hit Start on the Inspect. The top one.
Oh, I see.
So this is the idle part, right? So every 10 seconds, you're gonna find a coin and it's gonna give it to you.
Gotcha.
And then you can
Okay.
like leave the game, come back in an hour, restart it, and it would have been an hour's worth of collecting coins.
Gotcha.
So
Okay.
you just collected a coin, but the problem is, if you linger too long, thieves will come get you, and you don't have any armor on. You'll just lose everything and die.
Ah.
So 2. Let's get up to like 4, and then we'll leave.
Okay, 4. I gotta do one more.
Yeah, one more. hit the little encounter tab over on the right, upper right.
Giant rats.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah. So those are the
do
things
love
that
me
will
some-
attack you, right? Yeah.
Do love
those
me
things.
some giant rats.
Yeah, they'll randomly spawn. You'll see like a die show up. It'll roll, and it'll see if you get an encounter, like a Dungeons and Dragons roll.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So get out of this. Let's go back to the
Oh, okay. I see. So it's just
black. Hit that thing. Yeah. See, for me, that's in the bottom of the screen. Yeah.
alrighty.
There you go.
Which one? Or
Oh,
just set
yeah,
sail.
That one. Yeah. Can you turn on the? You need the trolling net. Turn the trolling net on,
Oh, a little late.
and then set sail. Okay, that's fine. So you'll see. So now, yeah. Now you.
Oh,
I think
okay.
you can hit. I think you can hit Q and E. So
Oh,
you can
it's-
drag your mouse up and like harpoon stuff. Like
A
harpoon
does
stuff.
this.
Yeah, ASDF. Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Hold on. That's my bad. Okay, hold on.
What'd you do?
I turned off an extension that intercepts my key presses.
Okay.
Although now A is not doing that anymore, so interesting. I mean the mouse
See?
works fine, but
You can use the mouse. Yeah. So there's this game, right? And then you can fire cannonballs, and it gets a little intense. Yeah, there's like 3 of those bad
oh, I
guys.
see their health now. I see.
So this is flame, for sure,
Oh yeah, yeah.
100. So the other ones weren't flame yet, but this is the flame piece.
Well, the
Okay,
other
so
ones
sail home.
don't need
this gets
flame,
a
do
li-
they?
The
Because
other one did not need flame. This is the only one that needs flame.
yeah, because flame,
So-
the only things that needed are things that refresh every second.
That's right. The
So
frame rate, right? Yeah. I hit the X, and now. Yeah. So we'll leave that and then go to the town tavern. And then the town tavern, play Pieces of 8. You ever play Hearthstone?
I have not.
It's a card game. This is again, it's a single player. Hit
Well,
play.
I'll figure it out.
Okay.
Maybe.
So you're playing an AI bot. So,
Yep.
So the blue is the action points.
Fire.
So now it's your turn. You have 1 action point, so you can only play cards that have a 1 in the upper left corner. So take that to drag one of your cards into the slot up right below his
Okay.
card and put it into the slot under his card. Yeah, just drag it, put it there. There you go. Okay, so you're out of action points. There's nothing else you can do. Hit fire, and then it will resolve those 2 guys are going to attack each other.
Oh, I see it. Okay. Oh, that's a
Yeah.
little bit like Inscription. Okay.
Yeah, right. Yeah. And then you can see, like, he's got 30 health points. You have 29. And he used a piece of 8, so that has a special skill. So if you want to read it, you have actually one of those. Click on that card with the eye, and it will show you.
Ah.
You click on the card. Your card's at the bottom. It'll show you what it is.
Neat.
Kind of. Yeah. So that's the card game.
What does the discard deck 14 mean?
You have there's 14 cards left in your deck,
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
and there's nothing discarded yet.
I see. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Neat.
Okay. Let's exit out of this game. So you see that I'm just trying to be mindful of your time. I'm trying to show you everything. one more. So hit the X. So yeah, go back to the region. I gotta fix itches. Display port. Yeah, all the way back out to the region.
Yeah. Oh, you can zoom. I noticed you can zoom in with middle mouse, but
Oh,
this is
middle
the
mouse,
furthest out you
yeah.
can zoom. So yeah. Oh, you can zoom here too. Although
Okay, Frostmere Village, upper right corner.
Alrighty.
The web is not really a platform I want to support, but
Yeah.
it's good that for like you and I don't have to make you install something.
Oh yeah. Plus, like,
So
just getting
there's
feedback on it. I mean, I'm
just
sure.
quick feedback, right?
Oh,
Yeah, it makes it quick.
I've only used itch like once. I figured there were comments or something, but whatever. All right.
The
I'm
ice
still
cream
too
shop?
sucked in. In the what?
The ice cream shop, bottom
Ice
left.
cream shop.
This is what the 14-year-old wanted, so I made it for him. Hit start. Yeah, that should be play. You're right. The more I'm looking at that, you're right. That should be play.
Yeah.
You know.
I don't know
right?
why, but this in addition to obviously Cookie Clicker, this gives me really big Club Penguin vibes, and I don't know why. Actually, no, I know why. It's I don't know if you've ever even like seen Club Penguin, but there was a mini game where you made pizzas, and one of them was a dessert pizza. I think the sprinkles are reminding me of the dessert pizza on there. Oh yeah, yep. All right, and
So-
then I assume.
And then there's gonna be like if you see a gummy worm drop, you better click it, or else you're gonna lose 25%.
Oh, all right. Well, good to know.
Yeah, I don't think they have that in Cookie Clicker. I think Cookie Clicker just keeps going up. You don't have any. So that bottom word is like the bigger game, free. You can convert your sprinkles to favor, and favor is if you die, it'll roll the die like an RPG to see if you get to keep your stuff or not.
Ah, that's pretty neat.
That's what that is. So if you
That's pretty
lose
neat.
some of these monsters that are out here, yeah. So there's the Cookie Clicker. Hey,
That's
now
pretty
you're
cool.
getting the Gobi worm. Interesting.
Nice. I might have, and I just missed it. I don't know. I wasn't. I was reading around at first.
Yeah,
It might have
okay,
just slipped
so-
past me.
Okay, so then the boss fight. So hit the X.
Ooh, a boss fight.
Yeah, boss fight. Yeah, you're gonna die because you're not even wearing any armor or anything.
Sweet. Let's do it.
So let's go back to that. Yeah, Frostmere Village. So get out of here. Go back to the region.
Mhm.
That's in the hamburger menu. Yeah. Go into the Curvant Caverns.
The Pit of Despair.
Click on the big doors. The top. Funny AI named all that stuff.
Ah.
That needs to be start.
All right. Here goes.
Yeah, you're gonna die.
I died. How do I interact? Wait, I didn't. There were no instructions.
Yeah. So
Wait. Hang on. Wait, no. Listen, you.
so this is the problem with this landscape mode. You didn't get any of the controls.
Oh, interesting.
There's no controls for you. Here, I'll send you a screenshot what it looks like. This is what you're supposed to see. In the chat and Discord. See?
Oh,
Yeah, they're your controls. Yeah, there you have them on the right there, but why they're all disabled?
let me try.
All right, so thank you for looking at the game. There's Flutter. There's my Flame Engine. Usage.
Oh, they're not disabled. I'm just stupid. There you go. So hey, at least they're working. But
They are working. Okay.
no worries. Always
So
happy
now
to
you're
try.
dead, and you've lost everything.
Oh,
There's
good.
like bosses after that. Yeah. So if you look at your inventory, which is under your hamburger menu, in this view it's under your hamburger menu, but my view it's not.
Oh, bag. Duh.
Yeah, the bag.
Ah. I still have my coins,
Oh, yeah, you do.
and I've
That's not
died
good.
like twice
fix
or
that.
3 times actually. Hold on.
Yeah, I got it.
Here, let me try
I
again.
recent-
Ooh, you can move
so-
that. I didn't know you could move that. Neat. The value of playtesting, huh?
Yeah, right.
Can I? Oh, wait. I can scroll it. Hold on, wait. Let me. Can I? Oh, well.
Okay, so since you can scroll it down a little bit. Okay, click on that big banner thing in the bottom left corner. So it's like a badge at the region level. There's a
Oh,
big
oh,
badge
oh,
at the
oh,
bottom
yeah.
left.
Oh,
No, no, get out of
nice.
the pirate town. Yeah, bottom left. I click that. So once you're done with Corvant Realm, you go to like the next level, and then you just kind of start all over, all new
That's
mini
cool.
games and things to collect. And I envision 4 regions, and then I'm done with the game.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see it. There we go. Yeah, I think on mobile it'll work fine. I think it's the web view that's messing me up right now. Cause oh, you know what? Thinking of this now as like the Flutter widget, like I see them now. I can see the
You see them.
yeah,
Yeah.
like I see what the Flutter widget. Okay, I get it now, and that makes more sense why it was. Got it. Okay, so I see it now. Yeah, that'll be a lot better on mobile,
On
or at
mobile.
least on touchscreen at the very least.
But you said you're Linux, right?
Yep,
I
this
don't
is
have
Linux.
a Linux. I have a Windows heavy client because I think it's Electron under hood or something. Maybe I'm not too sure, but I don't know what the Linux. I've never ported it to Linux. I'm sure it can be.
I mean, Flutter builds. I've actually never built anything on Flutter on Windows because Windows was such a pain to build anything on. And like I said, I'm a systems developer, so like I don't know, mess around with compilers for fun. So I'm like didn't do any development on Windows. In fact, this
Yeah.
oh god, this stupid screen.
So what I think I'll do is I think I'll try to port it over to Linux to see what it looks like, and then I'll have to get you to test it, and
Sure.
I'll put it somewhere in your
Yeah.
Chat in your Discord
Sure.
when I ever figure that out. Won't be today. I got to run around and
That's fine. That's fine.
look at fireworks.
It's
Thank you
fine.
for
I don't
that.
even know. Honestly, I'm not even sure. Do I even have Flutter installed on this machine? I'm not even sure if I do. Oh,
Just type Flutter. What
I do.
You do.
Apparently, it's not updated, but I do.
Not only do you have it installed, but it's in your path.
It is in my path. That is well, yeah. This whole config is ridiculous. So I just keep a whole, you know, all those because like I just jumping between machines and having it different. No,
Yeah.
can't handle that.
What do you mean you play with compilers? What do you mean?
This is a language I made. Oh, there's no the LSP on here. It doesn't work for Odin, but basically, just open all the files.
What do you mean this is a language you made?
This is a language that I wrote. Like this is a programming language.
What's it called?
Well, right now it's not really anything, but it's supposed to be called stock. This right here, the capital O, because it's written in Odin. It was actually part of a bigger. I don't think I have it here, but I had a whole other idea of.
Why would you do this?
Because I like systems programming. It's fun. And I mean, like, it's pretty cool to see your own code do that and, like, literally handle the opcodes necessary to write hello world on a stack machine. Like, that's pretty cool. Same thing here, like, so, like, what this really was, this wasn't a parser project, it was a stack machine, like a stack. So the opcodes that you use are like push equal print, and that's how like the JVM works. That's how, I forget if that's how the .NET CLR runs, but like that's like an execution model. So it was an entire project of just getting wrapping my head around that, not so much the parser. It's just everything else happens on top of that, and that's what like languages do under the hood. So like, why would I do this? Well, why did, what's his name? I'm not gonna butcher it, but why did the guy write Python or Ruby or any of the other ones? Right? It's the exact same thing. So someone has to handle every part of the stack. And if you think this is crazy, you should look at microcode, CPU microcode. And it is one of the most mind-bending things.
How low level do you go? Are you going all the way to the assembly?
I can read a bit of assembly. I've never written for hardware though. The lowest level things I have on this machine are probably this and my clipboard daemon, which might not even be running right now.
So is
Where'd
Odin
my
like Yak?
Huh? Oh
Is
no, I
Odin like Yak?
wrote the parser too. Well, I mean, it's in progress. I kind of stopped that project halfway through. But like this is the slightly lower level project that apparently has to be built for some reason. What the hell?
I'm just trying to understand why would you do this? Why would you want to create the next Python?
No, it's fun.
No, it's just fun.
I like understanding what. Oh.
Yeah, you like understanding the stack.
Yeah, I like understanding my tools. I mean, I don't know if you read the description. Well, actually, the Twitch description isn't as fully featured as the YouTube one, but I'm streaming from a source built version of OBS. I'm working in a source built version of Unreal. Like I'm a systems developer who is learning game development.
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, I was. So you're using Unreal on Linux.
Yeah, and that's hard because they don't support it. So you have to build it yourself. And not only Unreal 4, Unreal 4.27.2. I don't know if it says it anywhere, but that's the version because Unreal 5 is just too heavy for me. I don't want to use it. So
Unreal, so the engine is like hooking into the GPU and things of that nature, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, and even here, I'll go back to, I'm also using a custom Tmux here, the session manager down here. It's very slightly customized because my muscle memory was a little bit different.
Do you do this professionally?
Kind of, sort of, kind of.
Or are you a barista?
No, I do it professionally in that regard, but I didn't used to. So I'm coming from a career transition from something completely different. So this is just the pocket that I landed in.
So tell me if this seems accurate. So there's people who make tools for developers, and then there's developers that use the tools for business justification, for business purposes. People who uses those tools make more money than the tools developer because the business values the business more than a developer would pay for the tools. So I might make like $200K working for a business using tools like high-end languages like Flutter and React and things like that. But the poor guy below me who's making that command line work to parse, he's stuck at 100K, right?
Usually much lower than that, but yeah, you've basically summed up my entire... That's why I'm streaming myself making games. If I could just get a normal coding job and be happy doing that, yeah. I probably would. Oh, right, I forgot them. I probably would, but yeah, that's literally my entire complaint of the software industry is like I can't work in it because one, I don't have any credentials related to tech or any logic, math, nothing. Like I have nothing, no formal credentials. So most people won't even consider me. That's if the application even gets through the automated filter in the first place. So I just didn't even bother with that. Web development, I'd rather go back to being a teacher than
It's dead.
go to
It's
web
dead, man.
development.
Web development is dead.
No, not even
Yeah.
dead. It's just I never even wanted to be in it. It's just the way they talk about stuff and how JavaScript is the best thing ever to ever exist. Like it hurts my soul that they don't realize that the whole thing powering JavaScript is written in C++.
Okay.
So yes, basically, to answer your question, I know that was a long tangent. Yes, you've summed it up beautifully, and I hate it. But yes, you're correct.
And you're gonna hate it. Okay.
Yeah, because I mean, like I write stuff like, well, I guess I don't have anything copied right now, but okay. Let me highlight things. Oh my god. So like I write stuff like this, right? Like it's and it because Linux doesn't have a native manager. Although I will admit it's been acting up lately, so this might not actually work properly. But there we go. So like it, and I can grab, you know, the first one. Like I do stuff like that. That's the level I tend to sit at. So like systems, but also not systems. Not like you know, what's it called? Hardware. Hardware.
Right.
I should clear that actually.
Maybe you should go to embedded systems.
So embedded systems are,
It's a bit low level, like you like. It's embedded.
that's the problem is embedded systems well, first of all, are a bit above my head right now, and to be perfectly honest. But also, two, it's one of those areas of software that is fiercely gatekept due to the critical nature of it. If something fails in the hardware, the whole thing fails. It's not like software where you push a bad patch and you can revert it in like half a second. You mess up the hardware and it's hard to deal with. So they right at the gate, they're like, you need credentials, you need experience, you need all this stuff that I don't have. So like it's just part of the way it is, And it also comes down to like the other thing with software of just who you know. I have like no industry connections. So like I made my own thing.
Are you East Coast or West Coast?
East.
East. Oh. So you're near me? Ish?
Maybe. I mean, you can see my time right here. So if that's also your time, then
yeah, it is.
Yep, there you go.
It is.
I'm sure I could find like something remote that's higher level, but like I had to draw the line between available and what I would like pull my hair out doing, and basically every single thing that I could have like that I considered, because I've gone back and forth for a while, like multiple years at this point, about which path I want to do. So like it's this is what I ended up with. I own the studio. I can do what I want. It might fail, but at least I tried. That's where I'm at right now.
Does it pay the rent, demon?
For now.
The rent demon? Yeah.
For now, but like not ongoingly, which is the
Right.
problem. So that's why I say it might fail, which I'm okay with, to be perfectly honest, because at the very least, one, I have all this documented stuff now of me on of me
Yeah.
developing live, which is posted as VODs on YouTube. So it's not just like the live one and done, and it's gone.
Right, right.
They're there. It's a whole portfolio. And actually,
Okay, so
I had a different idea before this, which was I put it into an acronym, which was ridiculous. I think it was like no, where twice that, which is writing increasingly ridiculous programs until I get hired somewhere. That was my original idea, and that's actually where stock comes from. This was like part 6 or something. Z-Clip, which is the clipboard demon, was part 2. I had actually, I don't know if it's here. Oh, it is. I have part 1, or actually this might have been part 2. Z-Clip might have been part 3. But this is Minesweeper in Zig using Raylib. So like
Zig is relatively new, right?
Zig isn't even
Just came out?
stable yet, but it's so
okay.
good. It's so good. I love it so much. It's probably my favorite language right now. It's so good. It's very
Do you have its
manual.
own memory management, or you have to manage your memory?
Oh, it's extremely manual. You can't even print. Well, you can print, but there's a debug print. But like in order to use standard out, you have to set up an entire buffer. Like it's extremely manual, which is like right up my alley. Cuz like I
That's
also had
scary,
a
because that's memory leak area, right?
yes, but check this out. I forget what I called it. It might be to-do list. I remember now. Oh, no, this isn't it. What did I call it? I'm gonna find this because it's stupidly over engineered for a to-do list. Also, I do check my memory with Valgrind. No, there are no memory leaks. Do I really not have it? I must have it. I must have it here
It's
somewhere.
right there. There it is.
No,
TDS list.
it's I don't think it's this one. I'm looking for the version I did in C, which did I really? Hang on. I'm going to get my laptop. It's definitely on there. Hold on. Where did I seriously not? Wait. What the? Yeah, I'm sorry. One moment. Did I really not? No, not new issue. This is unbelievable. Oh, origin. Okay. Oh, wait. I just realized. Why didn't that turn off this whole time? Oh, maybe it did. Hold on. I'm sorry, where's my terminal? Wait, what? I also can't hear, by the way, in case you're saying anything.
Oh no. Yep. I'm talking.
Oh, okay, well.
Yeah.
Now I can hear you. Where did my terminal go? What the hell? Where? Oh, wait. I think I... Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's... Oh, I know what it did. Yep. Stupid thing. Okay. Right. So now back to... Where...
So what was the result? Where was your tools?
It's just on my laptop. I can...
It's only on you. It's okay.
Yeah, but it's fine. I just made a new repo. It's fine.
Your C to do.
Yeah, my C to do. Because it's stupidly over-engineered. Like, it's stupidly over-engineered.
There, I helped you.
Yeah.
Somehow.
Now I have to build the stupid thing. Should be easy enough, though. I think... Or actually, do I have... Oh, wait, no. I just have it. Don't I? Yeah. Sick. I'm sorry, what? What? That's fascinating. Man, I'm not doing what I meant to do today, but this is way more interesting. What the hell? What does this even mean? Hold on. Wait. Okay.
Is your laptop Mac as well? Or is it Windows?
It's Linux.
Linux, okay.
It's a framework. Here, look. It's the exact same OS as well. So it's this is literally like an exact mirror of my laptop, which is why I sometimes forget which is on which. That's weird. Let me just recompile it. Let me try that first. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, there we go. That one worked. So I can just... So I can do like... no leaks. And also that gets saved to a little CSV like that. So yeah, no, memory leak territory, but territory that I handle quite gracefully. Also the main the main function is absolutely ridiculous. Here, let me try and get this all on screen. There we go. All of my madness. In all its glory. This project was actually surprisingly fun to write. I don't know why. God, why? Maybe it was the HDMI. No, it's not even on. Whatever. Whatever. I'll deal with that another time. So, yeah. That's my ridiculous over-engineered to-do list that I'm now gonna put in my path because I like it a lot. Cool. All right. Okay, what was I supposed to do today?
Not get sidetracked by some guy for.
All right.
So if I go to your webpage, let's see, today is 4th of July. It says stream half day. No,
It does? Wait. It shouldn't.
Stream half. It says stream half day.
On the 4th?
1 to 5.
The 4th.
Yeah, is that what it says? Yeah.
Look at my screen right
Am I
now.
reading it wrong? Am I reading this thing wrong? Oh. Just stream. Okay. Yeah, just stream.
Yeah, so the half day is tomorrow. That's the 5th. Oh, it might be actually, you know what? Are you on mobile or?
I'm desktop. I'm Windows. No, it's correct.
Oh,
correct.
okay.
I just old man read it.
All right. I'll get out of here. Okay. Cool. So yeah, I try to rotate the streams just in case, people can't tune in one day and can another day. Plus, it keeps it a little interesting for me.
So all that music I have in my game comes from Melody.
What's Melody?
Melody? Melody.
Oh. Neat.
So like Black Friday, they did a lifetime pricing.
Oh,
I
cool.
don't even remember. It was like $200. So I just paid it.
That's pretty good.
And then all that music comes from here. Yeah, it's really good. So it's just in the about, I have to say where it came from.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So it's licensing for like games, Twitch, and YouTube. As long as I don't try to broadcast it on a radio or a TV show.
Right. That makes sense. I wonder how would it work
So
if
I only
someone
bring it.
broadcast your game?
Yeah, it's fine. It's on the licensing. I say Twitch. I turn it on. Yeah.
All right, cool. Neat. For music stuff, I try to make it myself just because
Nice.
that's my
I
background.
see. I have a degree in music education. I see that.
Yeah, so I try to make it myself.
What's your instrument?
I'm a trumpet player, but I mean like I brass. All the brass instruments are basically the same, but different sizes. So yeah, but I'm a trumpet player. I was not very good at it though.
You seen the stuff that what is it? Suno AI is doing?
I actually really don't keep up with any AI news. I really just don't care. If I need something, I look it up. If I don't need it, I might hear about it. Mostly I've been hearing the like residual complaining from people, about
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the asset generation and stuff, but in terms of actual like news and going digging for myself, I really just don't care all that much. God fucking I find it a lot more interesting to look at the algorithms the AIs use underneath. I didn't do a ton of AI stuff. I really only looked into linear regression. Built like a weather prediction thing. It was not very complicated, but yeah, it was fun to look into how the math works for that. But in terms of like using AI tools, yeah, they use Olama, on Hugging Face. Oh, really? Yeah, there we go. You can just download models, use locally. So that's good enough for me.
Want to do a project together?
I mean, sure, if you have one.
Want to
I
do a machine vision?
I mean, what kind of project?
So let's see. I want it to look at a food tray, kind of like what you see at the new Wawas. So
Okay.
it stares at something like at your food tray, and then automatically populates like,
Oh,
the
okay.
UI of everything it sees. Right.
Okay.
That's all like machine learning and AI and
Yeah,
I guess
that's
your list.
that's relatively straightforward. I mean, Python has plenty of libraries for that, I think. Let me double check that. I think Python has computer vision libraries.
OpenCV. Yeah.
Yep, OpenCV is probably the one. But I mean,
But
no, you don't need that. Well, actually, object detection maybe. That might still be a little too much. Scikit might be good as well. Yeah, I mean there should be plenty of things. What is the end goal for it?
to read all the food that's on a tray and populate a kiosk to pay. Like,
Oh, okay. I see. Ooh.
and
Okay,
if
that's
it
harder.
doesn't recognize something, if it doesn't recognize something, what part is harder?
Well,
Easy.
introducing the Because I assume you mean for like checkout, right? For payment.
Checkout. Yeah.
That's the part.
So
Validation.
you got a tray. It's empty. You're walking down the line. You grab a cheeseburger. You throw it on your tray. Grab a Coke. Put it on there. Grab a couple
Right.
fries. Put it on there.
The harder
So
part
the
is
validation.
validation, because you have to be 100% sure it's not going to misread something. So the
So
validation is
I-
way stronger for something involving
so
payment than it is for like a game or something.
So then that's when you go to like the Walmart model or the Home Depot model where there's one person who oversees all the things that are going on. And so if your object detection can't detect something, it should throw up an alert, and then the manager on the floor, the employee on the floor can go over and train that item instantly on the spot, and then upload that training to all the other stations. So
That
it would.
that gets a little
That gets
fuzzy.
interesting, right?
That gets a
gets
little
interesting.
fuzzy because the way they do
It's
that, if that's
Training
something
and
they do,
distributed learning. Yeah, distributed learning gets interesting, right?
well, not even that. I just mean that gets dangerous because you might train it wrong. And then backtracking from that is hard.
Yeah, you
Hard.
can't just go delete that. It's like,
Yeah.
that was not fries. That was cheesy fries, right?
Yeah. Well, like borderline impossible is what I'm saying. That's hard.
Oh.
That is brutal. Because do you know how machine learning works?
I have a little bit of a background in it. Yeah.
Okay, so then you know how new things get added, right? And how
Yeah.
how its detection gets refined. I forget the exact terminology, but like once it's shifting in a certain direction, like it's so what you're
Yeah.
describing is more of a manual entry, not a training process, right? So like you go over, you see get an item that can't get like recognized or whatever, it gets flagged. So the person comes over, they enter it manually, no training happens there. And no training should happen there because no training can happen there realistically, because that's just not how AI works. You can't add a new node instantly in a running system from what it's reading. Like it just doesn't work that way. Like, so what they would do is they would enter the item that failed to read, and then somewhere else, someone else will begin the training process for that item, which could involve holding it up to the camera a bunch of different ways. It could, I swear to God, if this screen does not stop turning off, I'm going to lose my mind. Like holding it up to the camera a bunch of different ways and confirming the angle and stuff like that. Like it's a process. It's not just like a click and done type thing. I mean, it might be if you have like a team of 1 million people and $1 billion, but like, not for me. It's not. For me, that's a big engineering challenge.
Yeah.
So I'd say the idea itself needs work before I'd sign off on it. So the idea
So-
itself has to be
so-
rock
so-
solid.
Let me give you the history. Had a vendor come in and showed us that,
Okay.
and it worked right there on the spot.
Mhm.
Problem is, these crazy people wanted $1 million. They wanted a lot of money.
Mhm.
So then they're like, "Can we do it cheaper ourselves? Maybe not full featured, but near enough for MVP."
The answer is they charged $1 million for a reason.
Because it cost $1 million.
Because the thing you're building costs $1 million. So no,
Right.
the background is it's not a good idea because it's just a big project that needs big work, and it costs $1 million. Take it or leave it.
Right.
Like that's what it is.
Yeah.
So I'd say if you want my help on that one, go back to the drawing board a bit and redesign it with a bit more structural integrity. Then I might take a look. But otherwise, right now, that's not viable.
You don't think so, huh? So the actual solution that I'm coming up with is uh, it will do training on the spot, but it's not distributed training. It's queued training for someone, just like you said, they can look at the images later. So it's a manual entry fix right then and there that it's it's cheese on fries instead of regular fries. So that image is collected and is sent to a queue where someone in the back is going through the training models of all the unknowns of the day and updating the training models on what it saw all day long. And then do the distribution later rather than real time.
That's different from what you described first.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, well, what they had first, what they came up with was what exactly how I described it, right? They
Oh,
came in and
yeah.
they were updating the the vectors, the vector data, and distributed it to all devices on scene immediately. And
Yeah.
suddenly everybody saw.
Yeah, which is
2D fries.
doable if you have a team of people to test it with.
Test it, yeah.
Because that's the type of thing that needs weeks of testing. Weeks.
Right.
Because think what happens if it goes wrong and doesn't flag it. You'll never know it went wrong unless someone comes back and says, "Hey, you charged me $20 for a bottle of water." Right? Like you won't know that until it's too late. Is the problem. And then you got a mess on your hands. So that's why that rigorous testing is necessary. That's why the price tag is high. That's why it's a long process, because it's a hard process. There is no we can do it cheaper ourselves when it's that hard and you're taking people's money. Oh. Go figure. The one time I try it. Fine. You fucker. Oh. Oh, line progress, I guess. I'm gonna lose it on this. Frankly, I'm shocked it doesn't impact the stream at all. I'm gonna jump out of the voice one for now. So just I can jump back in if I need, but no problem. Yeah, sorry, I just didn't really see the point. I'm keeping a bunch of squeaking in my ear. Okay. How do I do that? Okay. Oh. Oh. Interesting. I see. Okay, so it's not... Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, no, that's not what I meant. Yeah, no, lock 2. So... let me just give it that. Okay. Right. Right, no, I got that. Yeah, right, that's what I'm asking about. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it would be the one, whichever one has the press E logic. Right. Okay. Right. Okay, so this is the interact component. So this is where I add it. Oh, functions. Okay. Okay. What node is that? Get player controller. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Wait, which one? Okay, target. Okay. Oh god, is it flickering again? I'll have to look at OBS again. Okay. Oh. What? Doesn't it just mean that? To this, the character itself. Yeah, that makes it sound different. Huh? Oh, the why? I'm using it. It's not even idle this time. Okay, something has to be. You know what? Okay, this is getting ridiculous. I'm using it. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Still not working properly. Okay, let me go back to. Oh, God. Where is OBS? Okay. Wait.
Front, left.
Oh no, that's working. What the? Oh boy. Yep. That's it. Well, okay. Um. What? Oh, right. What? Okay. That's one problem solved. Okay. Okay. I don't think it's the keys, the problem. Oh, wait. What does that do? Yeah. Suspend key and hibernate key? Okay. God, I missed my editor. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, there. Whoa. Well. Fascinating. Huh. Okay. Well, still appear to be live, so that's good. I can't interact with the computer anymore. All right. Well, this is going to be a fun one.